5 seconds to go. Start. Under these circumstances, we are of the considered view that this is a case where the inherent powers should have been exercised by the High Court under section 482 of the Criminal Procedure Code, as the powers are there to stop the abuse of the process and to secure the ends of justice. In the case of Paramjit Batra versus State of Uttarakhand 2013-11 SCC 673, this court recognized that although the inherent powers of a high court under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure should be exercised sparingly, yet the High Court must not hesitate in quashing such criminal proceedings which are essentially of a civil nature. This is what was held. While exercising its jurisdiction under section 482 of the Code, the High Court has to be cautious. This power is to be used sparingly and only for the purpose of preventing abuse of the process of any court or otherwise to secure ends of justice. Whether a complaint discloses a criminal offence or not depends upon the nature of facts alleged therein. Whether essential ingredients of criminal offence are present or not has to be judged by the High Court. A complaint disclosing civil transactions may also have a criminal texture, but the High Court must see whether a dispute which is essentially of a civil nature is given a cloak of criminal offence. In such a situation, if a civil remedy is available and is in fact adopted as has happened in this case, the High Court should not hesitate to quash the criminal proceedings to prevent abuse of process of the court. Relying upon the decision in Paramjit Batra Supra, this court in Randhir Singh versus State of UP 2021-14 SCC 626 observed that criminal proceedings cannot be taken recourse to as a weapon of harassment. In Usha Chakraborty and another versus State of West Bengal and another 2023 SCC online SC 90, relying upon Paramjit Batra Supra, it was again held that where a dispute which is essentially of a civil nature is given a cloak of a criminal offence, then such disputes can be quashed by exercising the inherent powers under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Essentially, the present dispute between the parties relates to a breach of contract. A mere breach of contract by one of the parties would not attract prosecution for criminal offence in every case, as held by this court in Sarbjit Kaur versus State of Punjab and another 2023 5 SCC 360. Similarly, dealing with the distinction between the offence of cheating and a mere breach of contractual obligations, this court in Vesa Holdings Private Limited versus State of Kerala 2015 8 SCC 293 has held that every breach of contract would not give rise to the offence of cheating, and it is required to be shown that the accused had fraudulent or dishonest intention at the time of making the promise. Stop.